G'day guys, I'm back. This time I'm in the Oxley Wild Rivers National Park. I've never been here before and I'm staying here for 3 days. I'm going to check out the whole place. I'm hoping to see some wild rivers and some sick waterfalls. Come with me. Okay, so a little bit of a drama. It's 5 minutes to 5 and I'm at the gate. There's a gate that takes you down to the Riverside camping area, one of the more popular camping areas because it's right on the river. There's a steep track that goes down there. They recommend four-wheel drive, I think only because it's steep and so you need low-wheel drive to slow you down a bit. Now the issue is that regardless of whether or not you've got a parks pass like I do on my car, you need to book individually and pay an individual fee to New South Wales Parks online or on the phone to get a code to open this gate. I didn't know that. Fortunately, I had phone reception here and I just got off the phone. Lovely girl, New South Wales Parks, paid $24 to get access through that gate. And she gave me a gate code. So for future reference, do the homework before you leave home, not like me. Well, here we are. A little bit of an adventure today. I left Newcastle, that's where I live, this morning at 8 o'clock. From there up to Gloucester, Warhook, I think that's how you say it. And then I discovered that the Oxley Wild Rivers National Park, long known, is it's actually quite spread out. I should have taken a better look at the map before I left home, really. But to get to the main points of it, because the country is so rugged, you've got to sort of go north, up near Armidale, and then you can dive in, have a look, and then you've got to come back out the same way you came, jump on the highway again, go back down south, come in from another angle, for another poke, and pretty much that's where I am now, at the Riverside Camp grounds. It's really nice. There's a bit of a steep downhill track to get in here because you come in on the high country and there's a campground up there on the high country, so if you want to stay up there, do your boots. But for me, that's where the caravanners go, and I like to get away from everybody. And as you can see, it's Monday night, and I'm the only one here. About 35 degrees yesterday, and then last night in the middle of the night huge winds came through, blew everything around a bit, and then this morning it started raining. It's nice though, it's still warm, and I've got the shelter here, so I was parked down there, so I've moved down here because I've got the place to myself today, and that way I can have the shelter and I can have breakfast on the barbecue. Riverside campground in the Oxley, it's called the Oxley Wild Rivers National Park. Note to self, do that again. What an awesome place to camp. If you're looking for somewhere right on the river that's secluded, well maintained, and good chance that you get it all to yourself if you go in the middle of the week, because there's no caravans or trailers that can come down here and no two-wheel drive vehicles. So if you're looking for a bit of solitude amongst the mountains next to the river, way to go. So from here I'm heading back up to the top, and then I'm basically going to follow the Aspley River back into the township of Walcher. I'll check out the Aspley Falls, hopefully there's some water in it, and then I'm going to go back into the Oxley Wild Rivers National Park to a place called Udale's Hut. I'll stay there tonight. So, I'll see you there. Just had a bit of a wash in the river. How good is it? I didn't film the whole lot because I don't want to scare the kids, but it's fresh, it's clean. Yesterday was stinking hot. I needed it. How good is this? Okay, so here we are, Udale's Hut Campground. Apparently Alan Udale was his name, an Aboriginal man. This is the story. An Aboriginal man guided him into this area in the 1930s, and he moved in and built a hut just over here, about 50 metres away, in about 1939. It was just bark. It burnt down, unfortunately. They rebuilt it, and then it burnt down again, and now there's just a fireplace. But wow, after last night, this is about 100 k's from last night, mind you, but still in the same national park. But after last night I didn't think it could be outdone, but then I got here. Just look at the tree behind me even. This is, and the river is just down through here. It's so well kept. Look at the fireplaces, picnic tables, drop toilets over there, and once again I've got the place to myself.